Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you location for all safe boxes in shopping district in Pragmata. So first of all, use the zip line to go up. After that, take a right and jump here. Then move from this passage. After that, we need to go further and then again jump. Now take a right and deal with these enemies. Once you kill all the enemies, then the safe box will be ready to open. So we have the safe box on the left hand side, so we just need to go toward it in order to open it, then interact with it to collect the items. Now to reach the second safe box, we need to go from this side, then jump from here, move further, take a left, and then we have to jump here. Use your thrusters to move ahead. Go down to the ground floor and then we have to open this gate. So I have already killed enemies, that's why no one is here to disturb me. Now you will find a safe box here. I have already opened it, that's why nothing is available to collect. Now for the third safe box, we need to climb the stairs. After that, go from this side. Here we need to jump and then you will find this wall. Interact with it to open it. Now move ahead and then you will face enemies here. Just make sure that you are well prepared and then kill all the enemies that comes along the way. So I have killed all the enemies. Now the path is clear. I just need to move ahead. After that, take a right and then you will be able to find the third safe box. Now for the fourth safe box, we need to go from this passage. Just ignore all the enemies, move ahead. Now take a left turn. After that, you will reach this car, so just jump here to reach top. After that, we need to hack this machine in order to open lasers. So just press the key shown here and then the lasers will be open and we can access the safe box. So the safe box is here. Just interact with it to open the items. Now for the last safe box, we need to have limb eraser ability and then only we'll be able to collect the last safe box. So if you don't have limb eraser ability, then firstly we need to go to mass production facility block 5 and then you will be able to collect the limb eraser ability. So just go through this door, interact with this machine. After that, a short cutscene will play and Diana will get the limb eraser ability. Once you have got the limb eraser ability, head back to the shopping district. After that, just jump here, take a right, open the door and then we just need to move ahead. You will face enemies, just deal with them and then go through this door, hack this lock. After that, you will go to the another floor, again do the same thing to reach the top floor. Now move ahead. You will face an enemy here, deal with him, again move forward. Now just take right. Use the zip line to go up. Once you reach this spot, then we have to jump carefully. So just go toward this side and then jump here. Use your thrusters. Again go down here. Now we need to build some momentum, so that's why just go behind and then jump and use your thrusters to reach this spot. After that, use the limb eraser ability by holding L1 on PlayStation, LB on Xbox or E key on your PC and you will be ready to access the last safe box. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.